Hey everyone, we're going to install the bees at the farm today. Got a couple pictures you've probably already seen. We'll take this top cover off carefully. That exposes our food can. So before I do anything else though, we've got sugar water in here, and we're going to spray these guys down. Be good with it. Makes them very happy. Like dumping an ice cream cone on a human. It's not so bad. That knocks them all to the bottom. See this? Gotta get this can out of here. Okay, that was their food for the day. This is magic, or you can feel that can, how warm it is. And
oh my,
that's
really
from the bees just
that's amazing.
Being up against it. Okay. So now I need to get the queen out.
Is that the little box? And I can see the box.
Yeah,
Is that
that's
it?
a little box that's hanging here. I'm gonna go poke the doors out first. Yeah, it's getting sticky.
So interesting. Are you just making sure as many stay in as possible?
Yeah. So the next order of business is to make sure our queen's alive, and she is. She's the one upside down right there. And those are attendant bees. Those are in there to help feed her. There's a sugar plug right here.
Yep.
I've got to pull
Like
that
a
cork
big-
out.
Is it like a big sugar cube?
It's like a big sugar cube, like hard candy.
Okay, yep, I see.
And then these guys will start eating sugar this direction, and all the rest of those bees will start eating sugar as soon as I pull this cork out. They'll eat that way. It'll take about, well, maybe 4 days. And then the queen will come out, and then she'll start laying eggs, and they'll be ready for her. So
That's amazing.
I'm going to put her in my pocket right now to keep her warm.
Let me just see one more time.
Also,
I just want to see. I'm not recording. Oh, where is she?
she's the longer one, longer body right there.
Oh yeah, I see her with the wings.
Yep.
Okay.
We'll put her over away here. Okay. Now, the fun stuff. Get as many as we can out. smell the queen.
Yes.
And what we'll do now, take the cork out. See in there now the cork's exposed, or the sugar is exposed.
Sure, sure.
All good there.
And that yellow piece that's upright, that's what's
That's
holding the
pinching
queen.
the whole neck cage is hanging there.
Yep.
And we'll come back and we'll take that out. Set that for a while. Oh shoot. Remember I was gonna put grass back there?
Yeah, I remember.
Ready?
The ones that are out, can they get back in at some point somehow?
They may hang around until tomorrow. So what I'll do is I'll just leave this kind of leaning here,
Okay.
and they'll either make it through the night or not, but we don't want to leave that hive open
No, no.
because they'll
Then
just
they'll all
leave.
go. So you put the grass in there is what you did?
Yeah, if you look back here. I just shoved a lot of grass in that small
Oh,
hole.
perfect. Okay. So we'll leave that there for now, and
Yep.
when we'll remove that grass.
24 hours. So it's like 4, a little after 4, so a little
Yep.
after 4 tomorrow.
Okay.
And that's all we do tomorrow is we just do that. Oh shoot.
Oh, that's the bee food.
Stop the tape.